ಅಯ್ಯೋ good morning. Time is 4:43 and I started from my home. Everything is set. I will speak to you guys in a bit because I didn't warm up the engine properly. Yeah. So I started from my home. I just crossed a couple of streets and I just stopped in this open place so that we don't disturb any residents. Here there is no residence as such. Near my home it's a proper residential area. Let the engine gets warmed up a bit. You see it's kind of it is getting warmed up. You see 3 points. Once it is 4 we can start. So today I am heading towards Mysore as of now. I'll cross the city. Mysore roads there is nothing to show, plus it's dark too. If there is anything I'll try to record on my GoPro. Otherwise I'll see you guys at the first stop, which is a tea break, because I didn't had any tea in home. Well, let's stop for a tea break and then we can proceed. One tea kude. I'm near Ramnagar now. I just crossed it. Thought I'll update you guys. Bike is performing ultimate, man. I have no words to say about it. Look at the bike. The only disadvantage with this bike is the headlights. Headlights are not so powerful and the suspensions are very hard. I don't know if it's with this bike or not, but suspension is too hard. You can feel the smallest of the smallest bumps. Let's go, let's get started, because we have a long distance to cover today. It's a one-day trip, but I planned it in such a way that it has become long. So time is 6:08. I think I have to fuel up also. It is showing 2 bars. But the range shows 180 kilometers. So what the system is telling me that with this fuel you can cover a distance of 180 kilometers, but that's not possible. And to my surprise, I'm getting an average of 42 kilometers per liter. What the hell, man? How is that possible? My Apache was not giving so much of mileage. How come a 390cc or a 370cc engine gives so much of mileage? Hey, what's up guys? Ride update. I just crossed Chenapatna. Roads are very good. Bike is performing ultimate, man. There is no doubt calling this bike as a performance machine. Whatever you throw at it, whatever RPM it is, it just pulls you out. It doesn't disappoint you. I think I've done a very good investment by buying this bike, at least for my rides. From the financial perspective, it's very bad, I know. Temperature is normal. There is a bit of cold, but manageable. It's not like very bad cold, and of course summers are here. Bike in total has done around 303 kilometers. Today I think it will clock 700 or 800 kilometers. So yeah, that is the ride update. Straight highways. I miss the old Mysore highway, which used to be a 2-lane on both the sides. You know, it had some unique character. Now the work is going on, so you can see all the work stuff. Nothing more. I'm just cruising at around 78. I'm maintaining that speed, trying different RPMs and different gears so that engine gets used to it. That's the plan, because now since it's in break-in, sometimes I rev not to the red line, I drove a bit hard and then changed the gears. ಸಾಕು 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 ಆಗಿದೆ ಹಾಂ ಸಾಕು 9 liters. So there was still 4 liters left. That's a good mileage, man. Now we are in Madur. Time is 6:49. I just stopped for a quick photo shoot break. Just stopped at this beautiful place. See the place here. It's so green, so peaceful. Except this highway vehicle sound, it's very good. So I just stopped, clicked few pictures. You can follow me on Instagram with this ID which is coming on the screen now, Aryan Rajesh. I'll post good pictures about Adventure 390. Somehow we have the bike now. I just entered Mysore. Let's try some local food. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡೋರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಣ್ಣ ರೋಡು? ಎಂಡೋರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀರವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ರೋಡು? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಸೇಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮೀನು ಹಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಪ್ಪನ? ಚಲೋ ಹಮಾರಾ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಶುರು. Problem is I can't switch off the traction control. It will be on until the first service is done. That's what showroom people said. This is called the king of off-roading. Man, the suspension, man, seriously, on the roads itself it was so hard. How can we expect it to be good here? See, the back suspension is like hitting it very hard. It's not taking any shock. Since the first service is not done, I am not revving the engine too much. This is the place here. This is the place. Lovely, man, lovely. So from morning I was riding for around 268 kilometers. I'm somewhere near to Kerala border. So that's what this place is. It's called Kabini Backwaters. Basically it's a Kabini reservoir. So after this it's all Tamil Nadu on the left side, and towards the right it's all Kerala. As you can see, so the bike is parked here, and back you see the vast waters. It's very nice. So from morning I think I started at 5 o'clock. Now what? 10 o'clock, 5 hours. So 5 hours of a ride didn't go in waste. Just see this amazing view. We'll take a new guy to a spin. I see 2 steamer boats going there. I think they are moving something from this side to the side. Okay, it is slipping a bit on these grasslands. I'll ask someone. I'll ask these people what is there on there. Sir, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೋರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ರೋಡು? ಅದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್
ಎಂಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಹಾಂ,
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಂಡಿದು.
ಹಾಂ
ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ,
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ.
ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಕೊಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಗಾಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. ಅಲ್ಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಬೋಟವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಇದೇನು ಸರ್, ಮೀನಾ ಇದು? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಮೀನು? So they're doing fishing. Let's have a check. What kind of fishes are there? ಓ, ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಮೀನು. ಏನು ಮೀನು ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು? ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? ಜಿಲೇಬಿ. ಸಖತ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಇದೇನು ಸರ್ ಇದು? ಇದೇನೋ ಹೆಸರಲ್ವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? 38-39 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ.
ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಿಲ್ಲ.
This oh. Here there is loose gravel. No, we can't go. It's slipping a lot. I have done camping here. See these people, cigarette packets, drinking. I see some bottles there. So they'll camp, they'll drink, they'll enjoy, and they'll throw all the trash here and go home. And they write posts on Facebook telling that you have to save environment. That this bullshit. Kabini backwaters part is over, so there is water, good amount of water. You can come here, chill out. I think bikers will have their good time here. I don't know how the voice is coming, that I'm recording by a phone. Apart from that, it's all no man's land. Like there are few people who are doing fishing. That's it. Locals are there. There is no tourists and all. I think this is one place which is worth a visit. Near outskirts of Mysore now. I came back. I didn't go to Bavli. The problem was you have to cross a national park, so they didn't give permissions. Plus, if you want to go to Bavli, you have to take a detour of around 60 kilometers, I guess. So that's the reason I came back. Now I'm in Ring Road, Mysore Ring Road. I'll have lunch and I'll leave to my home. I think that's it. If there is anything interesting, I'll show you guys. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next vlogs.